We've arrived at Montalcino. So this is the town where you get the famous Brunello di Montalcino. Much like you get balsamic vinegar from Modena, you get that wine in Montalcino. Did they put a wine shop in the fortress? They did. An enoteca is basically the name for a wine shop. And it's right there. This town is so wine oriented that in the middle of a castle fortress, they know that people need to get drunk before they go off to battle. And so they've set it up right there. Probably marijuana would cause too much peace. Nobody would want to do anything. But when you've got wine there, they'll get belligerently drunk and beat the crap out of each other until somebody's done. These Italians are really, really shrewd. They make you go all the way through the enoteca with all the bougie wines if you want to get to the top of the castle. So all these towns we're seeing is Valdorce. I think this is the prettiest city we've seen so far in Valdorce. Montalcino. Time to show the viewers the lovely streets of Montalcino outside of the fortress walls. You see, all the Brunellos di Montalcino are here. They're very patriotic here. They've got all of their flags all over the place. Well, naturally, the mission of any journey in one of these towns is to find the cathedral or church, one or the other, a Duomo. And this town is no different. But this one's interesting. This one, its columns are made of brick and cement. So does this mean that this is not one of those 5th century ones? So this cathedral was built over 1,000 years ago on top of Roman ruins, but then it got demolished and rebuilt in the 1800s, and that's why the columns are bricks, and that's why the whole thing doesn't really look quite like it's from 1000 AD. Be warned, there's a lot of hills all over Tuscany, if you couldn't tell from the beautiful footage of the landscapes. The towns are no exception. Don't wear high heels or boots with high heels. It's kind of a ghost town in here. And a lot of these places look super empty. Unexpectedly enough, Amazon delivers here. We have some green doors over here. Maybe this person really liked Giuseppe Verdi. Verdi means green in Italian, and so he wanted some green doors for himself. There are a lot of old school Italian cars in here. Wow, very old school Fiat. And one of these beautiful little towns can't be complete without its clock tower, right?